Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Stay tuned. Welcome to a list of rides. Today here we have M340i right there. And I just want to show you how to put some, carbon look inside your vehicle interior for the most cheapest and quickest pay possible. So here, as you can see, we have some carbon look-alike overlays for the interior of M340i as well as the 330i. It's obviously not a real carbon fiber, but it looks very nice. What I like about this method of doing it is that if you ever get tired of it or got damaged, you can easily remove it and replace it, or just use, keep your stock OEM look. Because all it is just stickers that are holding it in place. You just clean the surfaces afterwards and you're back to your stock look. Alright, and all you need for it really is just some alcohol and a wipe to wipe down the surface before you stick them on. So on the back is just plastic and tape. There's actually a method where you can actually buy carbon fiber pieces, like let's say in M3 and M4, and remove your OEM parts and put those parts in. But it's a lot of work, it's a lot of money. So hence why I said this method is the cheapest, the most affordable, and quickest to do. So first you gotta wipe down all the surfaces with alcohol. Make sure you get every surface as well as let it dry out before you start putting on the stickers on. Then you're gonna remove the rack covers from the overlays or the back of the double tape. This might take some time, to be very careful because you gotta use something sharp like a razor or a knife, wherever it is. Then just flip it over and start putting on the overlay onto the surface. Make sure it fits perfectly, there's no gaps or anything like that, it aligns. The process is pretty much repeated for all the other surfaces. And just flip it over and start putting it onto the surface or where you want to put it on. Make sure it aligns perfectly, there's no gaps or anything like that. And just press it in. Probably the hardest one to put on will be the middle piece because there's a lot of finagling that you gotta do to make sure that it fits. The rest is the same thing, you just have to put on the cover for the tray and as well as a little piece that's gonna go all the way up top. So here's the final product in place. It looks okay, pretty decent. Obviously not like OEM. I wasn't even trying to, say that this is gonna look like OEM, but I can always remove it if I don't like it, put something else in or keep it stock. That's what gives me peace of mind. In terms of fitment, there's a gap over here, as well as a gap over here, and one on the driver's side, which I will have to play around and adjust, especially on this side, because I don't really like it. But I'll use a heat gun maybe, and then just push it that way a little bit, and it should be okay. In the meantime, I'll just keep it like that. So that is your overview of a BMW M340i, 330i interior carbon, right? Fake carbon fiber look pieces, whatever you want to call it, right? Set. As you saw, I was honest about it. I showed you guys that it's not going to fit 100%. There's going to be some gaps in there, which you have to kind of adjust, play around, jiggle with it, right? To get it in the position perfectly, or you can just keep it as is. It's all up to you. It's your car. You can do whatever you want with it. Adjust it, not adjust it, or don't buy it at all. Yeah, I just want to show you guys the process and just be honest about it, right? Anyways, thank you for watching the video. I'm gonna be doing more stuff to this car, more quality stuff, right? So if you want to see it, you can just subscribe, and I'll appreciate it. Thank you.